Hey, good morning, coffee fans. It is August 24th, 2020, and this is the Spin. We ordered this on August 2nd, 2016 as part of the Kickstarter with Spinn. I can't remember exactly how much we paid for it, but today's a big day, a day we've been waiting for a long time. We have our Seiko Vienna Plus, which has been a workhorse after very many super automatic espresso makers. That's the dog in the background. She's pretty excited too. After going through many different super automatics, that's been extremely reliable, and we hope this is going to be the replacement for it. So let's get to the unboxing. So let's see what we have in here. Yeah, the dog never barks, but the dog loves drinking the bottom of the coffee cups, and she hears me saying coffee. And didn't quite plan on that happening, but there we go. All right, we're gonna drop this down and slide this box out. So during their communications, they talked a lot about the unboxing experience and the packaging experience. So nice box inside, very well packed. Ooh. Nice little Velcro tabs. Hopefully I did this in the right direction. I have a feeling it's gonna drop next to me. Ooh. Nice tab on the side. They definitely thought a lot about the unboxing. It says, take out the accessories. Okay, this is about a cardboard here, which is good, it's recyclable. We have a manual, water filter. We have a drip tray. Okay. Unfold the box to open. All right. I'm gonna set this stuff to the side and rotate this around. All right, here we go. Looks like we have probably a cleaning and descaler. Yeah, cleaner and descaler in here. Wow, super nice packaging. Looks like it has some expanded polypropylene, EPP. I'll lift it out. Clamshell this back up. Man, this would be great if you ever had to ship it somewhere, or maybe send it in for warranty or maintenance. Really nice box. Did an outstanding job on that. I'm not a professional unboxer, obviously, but I like how that works. Pretty simple. If you've ever had to send in another super automatic for service, which is quite common, it's kind of a nightmare. All right, so nice little Spinn logo on top. Wow, kind of a cloth cover. Okay. Cord goes through it, and there we go. Wow. So it's a real product. We will go ahead and put the drip tray in. Also a nice cloth bag. Some tape here to secure the, what looks to be the drip tape cover, tray cover. I can tell you everything that I'm feeling now has a lot of weight to it. It feels extremely well built. Now, if you were part of this journey for the last 4 years, pretty good updates from Spinn on production, choosing the right materials, fit, finish. But I can tell you it feels very, very solid. So far, very impressed with the build quality. But there you have it. We'll have another video once we get this plugged in, and I'll read a little bit on the instructions of how to install the water filter and the rest of the preparation prior to brewing the first cup. Thanks for watching.